恭喜发财，红包拿来。Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my annual red packet giveaway. So yes, as usual, I am dressed up in my cheongsam. So this is a very traditional Chinese attire for this occasion, and I'm so happy I can do this for the 5th year in a row. I know a lot of you enjoy it, so as long as you guys enjoy it, I want to be able to share part of my tradition and celebrate Lunar New Year with you. So this year I have 16 red packets to give away, and I'll be showing all the red packets up close and personal soon, and there will be 5 winners. So the first prize winner is actually going to get their pick of either one of my favorite SLGs. I asked you guys to vote, and as usual, I think the majority of you voted YSL, and I own this card case, so you get your pick of the YSL card case. I think the red is gorgeous, but you can pick whatever color you want, or $350 Australian PayPal cash. So the first prize winner will get that card holder or cash, and 16 red envelopes. And then the 4 runners-up will get a pack of the 16 different red envelopes. So just to explain quickly for those of you that may be new here, so the symbolism of the red packet during Lunar New Year is to represent and bestow happiness, luck, prosperity to the receiver. And usually kids, they have a field day, they love it. I remember loving this so much when I was a child. And usually it's married couples that dish out the cash in these red envelopes. So you usually give it to kids, parents, grandparents, and actually the significance of the red packet's not the money inside, it's actually the red packet, because red is a very lucky color in Chinese culture. So just to give you a bit of background information on that, but these red packets aren't just given out during Lunar New Year. They are often given out during weddings or birthdays, celebrations, graduation. So these red packets can be used all year round, and a lot of them actually can be used next year as well. This year is the year of the tiger. So you're going to see on the red packets, a lot of the luxury brands have incorporated the theme of the tiger, and some of them have just kept it classic, but I'll show you that soon. Anyway, let me quickly go through the giveaway instructions. As usual, I've kept it super easy. So all you need to do for the YouTube entry is 1, make sure you're a subscriber of my page and hit notifications. You just have to select all. Secondly, give this video a like. And then third, comment below what is your favorite red packet or red packets. And don't forget to leave an email or an IG name. Make sure, for example, if your IG is John_Smith, just to write John and then the underscore and Smith. And then for optional and bonus entries, head over to my Instagram. Make sure you follow me. Secondly, like the giveaway post and tag a couple of friends. And then 3, just reshare on your stories or feed. And that is it. Of course, the giveaway is open worldwide, and it will finish in 10 days. I'm keeping it short and sweet. So by the time this video goes live, it's still officially Chinese New Year. We celebrate Chinese New Year, began on Feb 1st, and then it runs for 15 days. But again, these red envelopes, so many people collect them. And like I said, it's just a symbolism and wishing you luck and prosperity and good health. A lot of people sort of frame them. A lot of people just love collecting them. And I can understand why, because some of the designs are just so ornate and so beautiful. So let me show you the red packets I'll be giving out this year. Okay, let's start off with my favorite brand, HERMES. So this year, I really like HERMES's design. Firstly, the box has a very faint imprint of the tiger stripe. Not sure if you guys can see that, but I like that little detail. And then inside, it has these little gold stickers. And what I love about this, so that's the front, that's the back, very thick envelope. And then if you open this up here, you can see that it's got the tiger. How cute is that? So that just says, you know, Happy New Year of the tiger. I love that. I think Hermes did a great job. So that's Hermes. So next up is Bulgari. So this is Bulgari's box. Very pretty as well. Sort of got like this sort of star, or maybe it's even fireworks all throughout the box. And then if you open it up inside, that theme carries through. So that's the back and that is the front. So that is Bulgari's design, very festive. Next up is Saint Laurent. So Saint Laurent is very classic, very plain. The box is super hard. I've shown this before in my video. I actually got this from the Hawaii SA when I was shopping at the Waikiki store. So they've got a dark red envelope. So one good thing about this one is that you can use it this year, next year, whenever. So just very classic, very good quality paper. And that is Saint Laurent. Next up, I think this is one of my faves, and this is from Forêt La Page. So Forêt La Page is a French brand. I visited this store when I was in Paris, and they've opened a store in Melbourne about a year ago, and it's got the little tiger there. And this one here, you open it up this way, and how cute is this? So this one, it only comes with 6. So that's why I'm only able to give away 5, because I'll keep one for myself. But they really did the whole tiger theme. Like, that is a center feature. So the tiger's there with Forêt La Page, and it's even got the little tail at the back with the little tiger stripe. So creative, so beautiful. And look at this. This is what they use on their daily battle totes, one of their iconic bags, which these are their sort of scales. And then if you look at the box, I mean, I was so impressed. Look, even it's got it all lined on the bottom of the box. It is just stunning. Next up is Celine, just very classic like Saint Laurent. Good quality box with Celine Paris. I believe this is the same as last year's. So like I said, the brand itself has even reused it because, yeah, it's just classic. It never goes out of style. Just Celine Paris in gold lettering, and yeah, just very simple and classy. So next up is Cartier. As always, Cartier do a fabulous job, and I find that they're the most generous with their red packets. I love that you can see the panther, which is their symbol, sort of peeking through all this sort of greenery here. Very intricate. It says Cartier. I can't read Chinese, guys, but I'm thinking that that's some sort of prosperous saying or blessings. And then it's got a little symbol here. And then inside, they've actually got 10 of each design. So that's why I have 16, because the winner's actually going to get 2 Cartier ones. And I love it that they've got a red version with the panther. This is actually, you can actually feel this grain. It's very nice. Just gorgeous quality paper. And then they've got a gold version. So the winners will get 1 gold and 1 red. So Cartier's red envelopes are just stunning. So next up, I actually managed to get some Chanel for you guys. And this is actually not from Chanel Fashion, it's from Chanel Beauty, but I think it is gorgeous. So they gave me a few, and it's got the beautiful ribbon. And of course the classic camellia all throughout. And it's got the little CC at the back. And what does it have in here? It just says Chanel in there. But again, this is one you could use not just this year for the Year of the Tiger, but next year, and in the beautiful dark red and gold. I love that the camellias are just completely throughout the front and back. Next up, I've got a couple of watch brands. As you guys know, hubby and I are so into watches. Well, I should say hubby got me into watches. And this brand is called GRRReat. And beautiful box. Look at this foil with the 2 tigers on the front. So GRRReat is actually a Swiss luxury watch manufacturer, and they're really known for their watch movements and also their dress watches. So in here, they've got their red envelopes. Very beautiful. Look at that. So this has got all sort of cutouts. It almost looks sort of like a lantern. Whoops, I've got it upside down. And then here you can see, you know, you've got the watch here. It's like the watch face. You've got the tiger and then the clouds. I love that. I love that it's got different tones of red with the gold. And then the back is just a simple GG look. Oh, this feels divine, sort of like a matte feeling. So that is theirs. Next up is one of hubby's favorite watch brands. He actually has this on his wish list. So Alanga Unzona is a German watchmaker, and this box is again beautiful. So you might not be able to see, but even on here, the small imprints of, I guess, little parts of their watch, because they're actually famous for their quality, extremely high quality, and also the back of their watch, it's called exhibition case backs, are just second to none. So let me show you theirs. And they also did the gold and red theme, but there's not enough of them to give one of each, unfortunately. But I do love that they gave, you know, a gold and a red option. So if I take it out from here, you can see that they've taken inspiration from their watches. Actually, this is a model of one of their watches. This is another one. And I've just realized, let me just take a look. I think each of their ones, they've drawn inspiration from their actual timepieces. Let's just check it out together because I haven't seen this either. Yeah, so you can see there's all different designs. Oh my gosh, that is so, so cool. So again, this is going to just be random. The winner will just get one of these, either the gold or the red. But yeah, every single red packet is different. That is so creative, so classy, and just beautifully executed. Let's move on to another one of my favorite brands, which is Van Cleef Arpels. And my sales associate kindly wrapped it up for me. Again, a gorgeous box. And you can see here it's got a little peekaboo window, and with all the sort of cherry blossoms and butterflies, which Van Cleef Arpels is very known for. If I open it up, it's got just a card, but the actual red packet is this one. So a lighter red with the 3 butterflies, and that's the back. But I love the inside because that theme with the lanterns and the butterflies, it carries all the way through inside, as you can see. So I love that little detail. As you open it up, you just see that peak of that design. So beautifully done, Van Cleef. Next up is Loewe. Loewe have also kept their box very simple and classy, beautifully matte box, red and gold. And inside, it's just got a little greeting wishing you a happy and prosperous Chinese New Year. And look at this. This is gorgeous. So you know that this is Loewe's logo or monogram. And yeah, this actually feels really, really nice. And it's just, yeah, all along the front. The back is plain, but again, it has that matte feel. Yeah, but the front is just quite a showstopper. Next up is Prada, and I love their box. Their box is so cute. So you've got, you know how Prada always has their triangle, so they've incorporated the tiger head onto it. Actually on the box, I'm not sure if you can see, but all throughout you can see little tiger heads. This is definitely one of my favorite boxes. Look at that, can you see that shimmer? And then it's a drawer-like feature, and then inside, the envelopes are actually just very simple, beautiful quality, but there is a sticker. So each one of you will get that sticker. So you could just stick that onto the front if you want, or when you put the money in, you could stick it to the back. So you will be getting one of these and then one of the tiger head stickers as well. Next, let's move to Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton definitely gets points because it actually even has the Lunar New Year ribbon. And look at this little tiger with the Boit chapeau. I mean, how gorgeous is that? Is there even a card in here? Let's have a look. So in here, yeah, it's just a plain little red card, but I love that. So let me open it up. I have actually taken one out already. I love that their box, again, it is so intricate in the shape of like a trunk, which you know Louis Vuitton is known for. And if you open it up, like even the sides, it's got all this detail. And then if you open it up, Louis Vuitton have done the same thing. So here you've actually got to peel it open. So I have opened this, and you get 4 gold and 4 red packets. So let me just take this one out. Let me show you the gold. So the gold, you can see it's got the little monogram flower with all this sort of like leaf imprint. Really, this is quite big actually. I love this gold. The back's got Louis Vuitton, and then you can just tuck that inside. So that is so pretty. And then on this one here, let me just open, oops, I just ripped it. Oopsie daisies. Here, it has the same imprint, it's just that the flower is slightly different. So likewise for the winner, it will be random. You'll either get a red or a gold, but they're both equally as beautiful and just stunning. Love that they have two options as well. Next up is a gorgeous one from Tiffany & Co. So Tiffany & Co, iconic blue box, and then you've got the tiger stretching here, and this was really nice actually. So in here it's quite special. So they actually gave me, I think this is ink, and there's two stamps. So you can see there's a tiger and then there's a little bird, and then how cool is that? So you can use it as a stamp. I'm not sure if this is one they give their VIPs, or I'm sure the VVIPs is a huge one, but I thought this was just beautifully packaged. And then here you pull the ribbon up, and then with their red packets, they've kept it very traditional. I can't read Chinese, guys, but I'm sure this sort of says, you know, Happy New Year or something like that. And dark red, so all in the gold foil. And then you've got the Tiffany & Co out the back. So very, very classy as well. And I love this little touch that they gave this little stamp. I think that is just so fun, and Miss S will definitely love this. And lucky last, I have saved the best one, because this gorgeous box and presentation is Dior's red packets. Now this is given to their VVIPs, and my amazing SA Sun, hi Sun if you're watching, from Collins Street, go see him. He gave me this, and Dior, what can I say? I mean, you know how much I love their packaging. Look at this butterfly, look at all this work. It is just stunning. So let's have a look inside. So if I open it up, wow. Wow, so in here, you've got CD, and this is actually a kite, a beautiful butterfly kite. Wow, I haven't flown a kite in ages. I'm sure Sunshine and Miss Eshes are going to enjoy putting this together. And then you lift it up like this. And then here, let's see, in here, okay, so in here you've got all the, I'm thinking this is all for the kite. Yes, how cool is this? This is even in wood. Oh my goodness. Dior do an amazing job. Organza ribbon. And they've got little instructions. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then if you lifted this up, this is their box with all the beautiful butterfly, all the motifs and everything carried from the box. And inside here is Dior's one. So they've taken that theme onto the envelope with all the flowers and the butterflies. So just very, very beautiful design. So that is Dior's. So that is it for this video, guys. Did you love the designs? And I know a lot of you ask me, Mel, how do you get these red packets? And a lot of the luxury brands celebrate Lunar New Year by doing these designs, and they give it out. It really actually does vary depending on the brand. Some brands only give it out to their VVIPs. Some brands, if you spend over a certain amount, they may give it to you. But honestly, it's getting harder and harder to get each year. So I'm so glad this year I could still get a decent amount for you. So a lot of these luxury brands I am a frequent customer of, so I did get a few, but a lot of them I'm not. But thank you to all the brands that were so kind and generous. I think they kind of know that I do this as a yearly thing for you guys. So thank you to everyone that participated and wanted to contribute to this giveaway. I love sharing a bit of my culture, not to mention the symbolism of luck, prosperity, and good health and blessings for the year. I mean, who wouldn't want that? So remember, guys, there are going to be 5 winners. First prize gets either a YSL card case or $350 AUD PayPal cash, and then the 4 runners-up will each get a pack of the 16 gorgeous designs. Happy Lunar New Year to everyone that celebrates. May the year of the tiger be a fiercely fruitful one for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.